On this channel, I usually post videos on how to import goods from China yourself without any agent, doing it yourself directly from China to Nigeria. And I also post content around how to run sponsored ads, Facebook and Instagram ads that will give you results and will help you sell your products ASAP. Do you know why I really combine these two products? Because I understand that you cannot just import and have these goods in your room, in your space, staring right into your face. And secondly, you cannot depend on your family and friends to buy what you're selling every now and then. If you're solely dependent on your family and friends, you're not yet in business. You need to look for a wider audience that will buy from you ASAP. That is why you see me combining importation with selling online and also having the knowledge of how to run sponsored ads. If you've been on this channel for a while, you will understand that when it comes to sponsored ads, when it comes to Facebook and Instagram ads, the tutorial, I can create video that is as long as 30 minutes explaining to you all the nitty-gritty of running sponsored ads. Like this one on your screen. About 30 minutes video. Thank God there are testimonials from this video. People watch my videos, they run ads and they get results, massive results from their ads. In fact, what they've paid coaches to teach them, when they watch my videos, they see a more unique way, a more interesting way of running ads that will give you fast results. That is what I'm here for, to teach you how to import, not just to import and just leave it in your space. I also teach you how to sell online because there is money on the online space. Now, where am I saying all of this? For the past few years, I have been teaching you Facebook ads, Instagram ads, how to use your phone to run ads, because most people don't have laptops. And when you go to your gurus to teach you, they tell you must get a laptop. No, you mustn't. That shouldn't be a priority. You can actually use your phone to achieve great results from your sponsored ad, and that is what I've been trying to teach. I have a laptop, but I don't use it. I go ahead and use my phone so you can see me do it and be able to do same. Normally, I usually have this one-on-one training for people that want to learn how to run sponsored ad very well. I teach them and they pay me 50,000 naira for this service. But for the past 2 years, guys, I have been getting results to hold a group training, an online group training. But I know that when it comes to selling online, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, it is more tedious than teaching people how to import from China. You see, teaching people how to sell online, it is more tedious than importation. That is why I have been dodging from it. But the requests have been coming. And since the beginning of this year, I decided I'm going to post my very first group training on how to sell online, leveraging on what social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and also how to run the best ads that converts. This particular first group training I'm hosting, it will be taking place by God's grace. It will hold from the 27th of April. It is not a class we do for 3 days. No, I can do importation class from A to Z for 3 days and I'm done. But you see, selling online, no, it is not a 3 days group training. That training will take us up to 7 good days. Count 7 days straight up. 7 days intense group training on how to sell online using Facebook and Instagram and how to run highly converting ads. The secret that I might not come and tell you openly that will help your ads run very well. I will even give you an additional bonus of how to price, because some of you don't know how to price your goods. That is why you don't have extra for marketing. You don't know how to add your marketing cost to the price of your goods, the selling price of your goods. You don't know how to do that. I'm going to teach you how to do it practically during this group training. It's going to be a lot. And guys, because I want most of you to be able to afford this, I am not charging 50,000 naira I charge for one-on-one training. No, it's a group training. So I'm going to charge you something less. It is not 30,000 naira. Just pay 15,000 naira if you're interested. Now you're going to be chatting me on WhatsApp directly. My WhatsApp contact will be down in the description of this video. The first number you see or the first link should take you to my WhatsApp. Say only I want to pay for the training that is commencing from 27th of April. Don't wait until 27th of April to make your payment. As you're seeing this video and you know deep within that this will help you in your business, you need this training, you have been watching me and you see the way I teach on here, you should know that teaching is my hobby. Professionally, I'm a teacher. You should know that I love to teach people and see results. Send a WhatsApp message right now. Pay your 15,000 naira. You will be added to your group. You wait for me, 27th, we zoom off. Trust me, if you go through my training, your knowledge about running ads, about selling online will change drastically. You will see yourself making progress. You guys knew me when I was selling from my home. You guys knew how I was packing all that because I usually post it once in a while on here. You know. So it is not something that I don't know how to do. It's something I've been doing for years. I've been doing for years and I am still doing. I had to quit my teaching job to now concentrate on selling. Hey, you should know that if I don't know how to do it, I will not teach. I will not quit what I love doing. So, do you understand me? You're paying just 15,000 naira for this training. Hurry up right now. Send a WhatsApp message. If you're in Ghana, you're in Cameroon, Nigeria, Kenya, you want to gain from this, it is open for all of you. 15,000 naira for this group training, and I can't wait to see you all in class. I love you.